In this full tutorial, I will show you how to recover your Instagram account when it gets suspended. Sometime you will get this all suspended message, or you will get this another error message called confirm you are human to use this account, as well as you will get this kind of email too. Action needed on your account. They have been suspended your account, so you have to completely recover your account within next 118 days, otherwise it will be permanently disabled. We have to recover it. They have given a time period. Here you can just tap review details, or you can recover through your Instagram application. This is the error that we got, so they have mentioned additional details. Here all you have to do is scroll down and tap the continue button at the bottom. Then you have to verify you are not a robot. So you have to enter this code here. Sometime you might get another verification method. According to their question, you have to answer it. If they ask to select some pictures, you have to select them too. So I will enter the code here, then I will tap the next button. Then Instagram asks you to add a mobile number or add an email address. Here, if you want to add a mobile number, first you have to select your country. After that, you can enter your phone number like this. After entering your phone number, just tap send code button at the bottom. Then Instagram will send you one-time verification code to your phone number. Like this, you have to enter this code here. If you couldn't get this code, you can request a new code. After entering your code, just tap the next button. Now you have to verify. Here it provides two options. Either you can submit a video selfie, or you can attach a photo. Here you can select upload photo, then you can select a clear photo from your gallery like this. Select upload photo, then you can attach your photo like this. After selecting photo, you can tap the submit button at the bottom. But if you don't want to submit any photo, instead of submitting photo, if you want to submit a video selfie, you have to select the last option, record a video selfie. Then just tap the record video button again. Then Instagram gives some instruction when you capture video selfie. So follow this instruction, otherwise it will get rejected. Now you have to allow your camera action if you didn't allow. After that, you have positioned your face in this circle. According to their instruction, you have to move your head. Here, instead of submitting video selfie, I will submit my photo like this. Then you will get this submission message. You submitted appeal on this day, then you have to wait 24 hours until they review it. After they review it, they will allow you to log back into your account. So now you can go back to your email application after a few hours, or sometime in my case, it got me this email immediately. So after reviewing your verification or video selfie or photo, they will allow you to log back into your account. Here, if you use your Instagram application, you will get this kind of pop-up message. You are back on Instagram. They review your account. It finds nothing against their rules. They allow you to log back into your Instagram account. So this is one way to get back into your suspended Instagram account. If this method didn't work for you, I invite you to watch the alternative video links in the description, or you can click this end screen video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.